Hello everyone and welcome back to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. As promised in my previous video that I'll be showing you a process to get Canva Pro for free. So this is that video. Here is Canva Pro. You need to sign up. So I'm signing up here using my email ID which I have. This one. Just a second. Now let's hit continue. You can give your name here and the password. Okay, click on get started. Now you need to enter code here which is in your email ID. Here is that. Let's copy this code and paste in Canva. Right now I'm signed up to a free account, but just wait for a second and I'll show you how to get the pro version for free. From here you can choose the options. I'm using personal, and from here just click on maybe later. In new tab, open this website tingo.com. This looks like a shady website, but don't worry, it is okay, you can use it. And now scroll down and you'll find this article, how to get Canva. It is just for it is disguised as this name, just to this is a kind of shady practice, so that's why they are not using the actual name Canva. Now scroll down. Let's open this story, close this. This is an uncut version of the video, so it will take some time for this link to get activated. If you click on download free guide, here you can see you can download the file in 45 seconds. I'll let this run for 40 however many seconds left. Once that's done, we will be able to click on the link which will take us to Canva Pro and we will be able to use it. So let's wait for some more time. Right now, as I showed you earlier, we have this account which is not pro yet. Here you can see it is personal and free, but when we click on the link through this article, we will be able to get the pro version and we will be able to use the features. Here you can see, click here to download, click on it. Done. See, welcome to your Canva Pro team. Got it. Basically you are added to a pro team which will give you all the access to pro features. Here you can see I'm added to this one, Super Sun, and I'm now a pro user. If you want to toggle to your personal, you can go to this, but right now I'm added to this team. There is one thing that you need to be careful of. Whenever this team removes you from their group, you won't be able to get the access to the designs you have already created using this ID, because those designs will stay with them. So it's best to use your own pro version. Buy it if you can't buy it right now, but you want to see the features that are offered inside pro. This is the best way to do that. Once you are fully confident, then you can go ahead and buy your own. Right now you are added to this team. They can always remove you whenever they want. So this is your personal account, and when you sign into your team account, it is that. So whenever you want to use the pro features of Canva, you can use this one. Otherwise you can go ahead with your personal, so those designs are yours forever. That's how you can get Canva Pro for free. Now if you want me to try pro features, then here's what I can do. Let's create one design. Let's click on custom size and let's pick a video thumbnail design, and inside that we will be using pro features such as background remover, etc. But let's skip this tool first. Now let's go to uploads and upload one photo so that I can go ahead and show you how I can use the pro features. Let's get one image. There's that image. Right now it has white background, but I'll remove it using the pro feature background remover. Okay, now click on edit image, and here is that background remover, and it has this sign, which means it is a pro feature. So let's click on it. You can see it is working right now, and the background has been removed. Just to give you the clear perspective, let's change the background of this canvas. Let's change it to blue. Here you can see that background is removed, and you can use this image anywhere. So we have the pro version of Canva Pro unlocked for us. You can also use the same trick to get Canva Pro, but it is recommended you buy Canva Pro from canva.com and use that for yourself only. Right now you are added to this team, so whatever designs you create using this team, those designs will stay with this. If you have any questions, let me know in comment section, and I'll do my level best to answer them. And if you want videos like this on regular intervals, please subscribe to this channel so that I get the support I want, and I'll be making more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye bye.